Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products. And in today's video, I'm going to test a new mascara from Sephora and a new eyeliner. I have the new mascara and this eyeliner. And I'm going to create this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. And I also have some updates for the makeup I've used in my last video. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my eyebrows on, and on my skin I have my regular moisturizer on. And for my foundation, I'm going to use again this Florasis foundation. I've used it in my last video for the first time, and I want to use it again. And I also want to give you some updates because I've used this foundation every day since my last video. And this is very long lasting on my oily skin. My skin looks fresh and very nice all day with this foundation. I also love that this has a really nice natural finish, but I still test it to see if this is breaking me out. I have some blemishes on my skin, but I have to test this foundation more to see if these blemishes are from this foundation. But as a little update since my last video, I have to say that I love this foundation. I love that it's very long lasting and I don't have to do touch-ups throughout the day. But if you wanna see a first impression video for this foundation, I highly recommend you to check my last video. In that video, I've used a foundation brush and also a beauty blender to apply this foundation. But for today, I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply the foundation. I don't have a new concealer, so for my concealer today, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer. I've used this concealer many times on my channel, but I have to say that I really like this, and I also like to use this as my eyeshadow primer. And next I'm going to set everything in place with powder, and I'm going to use again this Florasis powder. This is Florasis Gorgeous Peach Blossom Silk Powder. I've used this powder for the first time in my last video, and as a little update since my last video, I have to say that I'm obsessed with this powder. I love that this powder sets everything in place very nicely, blurs my pores a little bit, and my skin doesn't get shiny throughout the day. I also use this powder all over my eyelids, and my eyeshadow lasts better if I use this powder to set what I have as a primer on my eyelids. This is a pressed powder, but is very finely milled and doesn't make the skin look heavy. So I'm going to use it again today. But if you want to see a first impression video for this powder, I highly recommend you to check my last video. In my last video, I've tried Florasis makeup products for the first time, and I want to give you some updates. The setting powder is very good, as I mentioned earlier. Also, the foundation is very nice. I also want to mention about this ginseng lip mask. I feel like this lip mask hydrates the lips better than my Laneige lip mask. I'm going to add more now. And I also love these two, the lipstick and the face palette. I'll use the lipstick a little bit later, but now I want to use again this face palette from Florasis. I'm going to use a few colors from this palette today, but if you want to see a first impression video for this face palette, if you want to see swatches for all of these colors, I highly recommend you to check my last video. So today I'm going to start with this bronzer. I also use this bronzer on my eyelids. I'll pinch the brush and I'll apply some on my under eyes. And I'm going to apply this highlighter all over my eyelids, on my inner corners, and on my skin. And for blush, I'm going to use this color. And then I like to go over my foundation brush, my beauty blender with whatever is left from my foundation or with my powder puff to blend any harsh lines. And that's everything for my makeup base. I wanted to do something very simple because I have a new mascara and a new eyeliner to test next. And next I'm going to test these two. I have this new mascara from Sephora. This is the Love the Lift mascara and the Sephora Black Ink Classic Line Felt Liner. I love to try new mascaras made by Sephora. My favorite mascara from Sephora is the Big by Definition one. I purchased that mascara many times. Doesn't get clumpy, doesn't bleed, curl the lashes, stays the same all day on my lashes. I get the same result with that mascara as I get with my favorite high-end mascaras. So I'm very excited to try this new mascara from Sephora. And this is how the packaging looks like. So this is an ultra black and buildable weightless mascara enriched with gravity defying wax for an instant curl and a 12-hour lifted volume effect. Formulation type, this is volumizing and curling. The Love the Lift mascara featuring a double-sided silicone brush that lifts and curls lashes, enriched with gravity defying wax for up to 12-hour volume effect. So this is curling, long wearing, and volumizing. Everything sounds amazing about this mascara. So let's see how is this mascara. I'm going to apply it first on this side. So this is one layer with this mascara on this side. I'm going to apply a second layer. Let's see how my lashes will look. And this is the result with the second layer. So you can get a natural finish with one coat, and with a second coat you'll have like this result. But I want to see what will happen if I apply a third layer. Okay, amazing. This mascara doesn't get clumpy after 3 layers. I'm going to apply it on my bottom lashes. This is also nice on the bottom lashes too. It's very easy to use and it's not messy. So this is how my lashes look with and without this mascara on. I'm going to apply it on this side too. So this is how my lashes look with this mascara on. My lashes look incredible. I am very impressed. This was very easy to use. I like that it doesn't get clumpy, and I feel like you can layer this as much as you want without any problems. My lashes are curled. I have volume, separation, everything. So for now I love this mascara, but I want to give you my final impressions at the end of the video after I finish with my makeup. I forgot to mention about this mascara. This was made in Italy and has 6 months shelf life. And this Sephora Black Ink Classic Line Felt Liner was made in Germany, is waterproof and has 6 months shelf life. And next I'm going to test this Sephora eyeliner, and this is how the packaging looks like. Okay, this looks very black and very matte. I like it. And looks like this is going to be very long lasting. The tip is also nice. It's not very stiff, but not too loose. Okay, this dries during application. I hope you can see, but nothing comes out. Okay, the finish is very pretty. This is very matte and very pigmented, but it dries during application, so I have to close it, shake it, and try to apply it after that. But once you apply it on, it's on. I'll take a makeup remover wipe and I'll try to clean it. Okay, it's also very hard to remove this with a makeup remover wipe. And to finish with the makeup look, I'm going to apply something on my lips. And I want to use again this Florasis lipstick. And today I want to show you how I like to use this for everyday makeup. In this way, this lipstick lasts all day on my lips. I also love that you can play with this lipstick in many ways. You can apply as much as you want to get the result that you like. For everyday makeup, I like to tap it all over the lips, like this. And then I use my finger to smudge it. And I don't use a lip liner with this lipstick, I just use the lipstick edges. I also want to mention that this lipstick doesn't dry my lips. This is a matte lipstick, but it's very comfortable on the lips, and the color is gorgeous. The packaging is gorgeous. I show this lipstick to everybody I know. The formula is amazing, so I highly recommend you this lipstick because it's very good. So this is the finished makeup look. Now, final impressions for these two new makeup products by Sephora, and I'm going to start with the mascara. I really love how my lashes look. I don't have any transfer on my under eyes right now. You can layer this mascara many times without any problems. These grab every single one of your lashes. So I love the finish. I love the formula. This doesn't have a dry formula and it's also not very wet. It's something in between. So for now I am very impressed about this mascara, but I'll have to see how long lasting it is. So I'll test this more until my next video, and I'll update you about everything then. And I also like this eyeliner. I like the finish. The color is very intense and is very pigmented, and it looks like it's going to be very long lasting. I also have to test this more to see how fast it dries and how long lasting it is. It's very important for me for these two to be very long lasting because I don't like to touch on my makeup throughout the day. So I'll use these two more, and I'll update you about everything in my next video. I would love to know from you guys if you like the finished makeup look, and please let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!